Bring me fire!
Hear my cry. The cords of death entangle me. The anguish of the grave consumes me. Do not ignore my tears. I am overcome by sorrow. I call upon the name of the Lord. Lord, save me!
Cannot.
I will not worship that.
No!
With all our hearts we follow you. We
Bow
fear
your
you
heads!
and seek your presence.
With all my heart I follow you. I fear you. I seek your presence.
Bring them!
Oh, my friends, your faith will be tested now.
Daniel! What's wrong with them? Why will your friends not bow to me?
I assure you, sire, they will serve you faithfully, all their lives, as I will, but...
But
they will only worship God.
I will make them bow.
With all our heart we follow you. We fear you. We seek your presence. With all our heart we follow you. We fear you. We seek your presence.
When we wish to bend something that is hard and unyielding, what do we do with it? We put it into the fire.
Majesty!
Take him!
We fear you, and we seek your presence.
Burn them! Majesty, no! Burn them! What? No! Bring oil! Come! Fire! Bring me fire!
Hear my cry. The cords of death entangle me. The anguish of the grave consumes me. Do not ignore my tears. I am overcome by sorrow. I call upon the name of the Lord. Lord, save
My enemies will be doomed. They will turn back in shame.
Why do they not burn?
People of Judah, rise! God is with us! He's with us! God is with us.